can now map your movements, in addition to assessing your cognitive alertness, to identify, generate, and deliver personalized alerts and reminders. ReadyCare will send a custom alert to remind you to keep your hands on the wheel, but it will also remind you to keep your eyes on the road. ReadyCare can distinguish between children and adults for critical safety features like airbags. This is all possible through a combination of computer vision and deep learning experiences. In short, we're using AI to provide more accurate and robust interventions. This is the same innovation that is also powering Ready Vision, our intuitive heads-up display right on your windshield. As you are driving, Ready Vision is your connected co-pilot. Augmented reality objects can be placed with more precision, while a forward-facing prediction algorithm does the real-world matching between your map and your actual route. Plus, Ready Vision can deliver personalized recommendations from where you want to stop for coffee, to the volume of your music for your morning and evening commutes. So, let's say you're in a new city for a work meeting, and you want to grab a bite of breakfast on your way. You're not really sure of the streets or the restaurants around, but with Ready Vision and ReadyCare, your vehicle will not only show you where to turn and watch out for a hidden stop sign, but it will actually give you recommended points of interest right on your windshield. These alerts are non-intrusive and safe, so you're not fumbling for your phone for directions while driving. Now, safety concerns and outdated features can cause many of us to upgrade our vehicles before their lifetimes are up. But keeping a vehicle on the road for longer can make a big difference. Less waste, more time for you and your favorite car. I'm excited to share that Harman Ready Upgrade was just created to do just that. Ready Upgrade offers hardware and software scalability, which is upgradable every 18 to 24 months. Partners can keep their vehicles modern, reliable, and relevant for longer. We are optimistic about the future of automotive sustainability, and we're just as excited to see how AI technologies can help all of us stay safer and better connected on the road. Thank you, and enjoy CES.
Share an exciting new AI collaboration between Samsung and Hyundai Motor Group. Using Hyundai Motor Group's software-defined vehicle, smart things will now work with Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis vehicle through the app. With remote access to your car, you can easily check when you parked, close and open window, start or stop your vehicle from afar, and manage the in-cabin temperature, especially handy on chilly mornings, or when you're searching for your car in a busy parking lot. This also proactively maintains your vehicles and provide driving insight for your safety. When you leave or ride home, SmartThings can automatically close or open your garage door based on your car's location. And with simple voice commands, you can control your SmartThings connected devices at home. Just say, turn off the heat at home. While you're commuting, and your home will be cozy when you're working. All of us at Hyundai Motor Group appreciate our partnership with Samsung, and we are excited about about the enhanced feature brought to the vehicles as part of our new collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you, Hea. With
The mass majority. And following our announcement of achieving carbon neutrality throughout the entire DR value chain by 2045, we have been actively involved in global sustainability initiatives that drive tangible changes, like our 7-year partnership with the Ocean Cleanup. In addition to automobiles, by fulfilling the unmet needs of diverse customers and communities, through optimized vehicles and services catering to specific market and business circumstances. Kia PBV is our total mobile solution that combines fit-for-purpose EVs with advanced software solutions based on Hyundai Motor Group software-defined everything or SDX strategy. As a platform beyond vehicles, Kia PBVs will open the door to new businesses and lifestyles by redefining the concept of space thanks to advanced and tailored interior that provide ultimate freedom and flexibility. Such an innovative use of space will also reinvent the concept of time by enabling more efficient, reliable, and meaningful in-vehicle experience. By showcasing Kia's future PBV lineup and cutting-edge software-based solutions, including the Kia Concept PV5 that will enter mass production in 2025, we are excited to show that we are fully prepared to be the first mover in the global PBV market. Our decision to pioneer the creation of this new mobility space was shaped by the many external changes happening around us, as well as our customer-centric business approach. Smart mobility, the sharing economy, and e-commerce have emerged as key pillars of the global marketplace due to rapid digital transformation. And the mobility and logistics industries have been under the most pressure to quickly adapt to these changes. For starters, we recategorize common business types according to use case and name them domains. Our aim is to meet the needs of customers for each domain through the Kia PBV business. And we have directly met with the B2B customers from around the world in various domains, such as hailing, logistics, and utilities, as well as with end users of these businesses. After listening to countless real voices, it became clear that there is a great sense of resignation with what's currently available in the market. Many LCV business approach today are more focused on supply side than customer needs. The use of existing platform narrows down customer options. And those that simply focus on reducing total cost of ownership often lack innovation required to quickly respond to changing customer requirements. Based on these considerations, we at Kia have shifted the decision-making standard to the customer and established a comprehensive PBV-specific business system to resolve hidden customer pain points while at the same time restoring the right to mobility for all. Going beyond total cost of ownership, we seek to create continuous added value so that customers can enjoy a variety of new experiences throughout their vehicle's life cycle, unlike with existing SUVs. Throughout the journey that lies ahead, Kia PBVs will be an enabler of business innovation thanks to our customer-centric management system, EV mass production expertise, and the Hyundai Motor Group's quickly materializing SDX strategy and related future businesses. As devices that offer tailored solutions according to the customer uses patterns, Kia PBVs will be pivotal in realizing the group's SDX vision. In phase 1, our first mid PBB, the Kia P5, will be an EV optimized for major domains such as hailing, delivery, and utilities that features conversion capability for diverse customer needs. Additionally, enhanced data connectivity between vehicles and external data such as route or delivery information will enable convenient operation of multiple vehicles as a software-defined fleet. This emergence of the customized business fleet and PBB-specific solutions means less downtime and enhanced cost efficiency. Next, in phase 2, PBBs will evolve into AI-based mobility platform that use data to interact with users and ensure that it is always up to date. The completion of a dedicated PBB lineup will expand the domain coverage to large logistics companies, mobility businesses, and private lifestyle users. Meanwhile, real-time vehicle data will be shared with the city management systems, enabling us to continuously provide customers with advanced mobility solutions using optimized fleet management system controlled digital data. Expanding the scope of data connectivity will support AI-driven vehicle control and management, as well as the automation and autonomous processes of customer businesses. An integrated PBB solution will provide a customized, seamless experience across devices and software. Meanwhile, new forms of business linked with robotics and other future technologies will emerge. Finally, in phase 3, Kia PBBs will have evolved into highly customizable, bespoke mobility solutions by integrating with the future mobility ecosystem. This is where Kia PBBs will ultimately become like platform that turns any inspiration into reality. In addition, connected self-driving vehicles will be managed as part of a single smart city operating system. And with the emergence of the hyper-connected world where people, PBBs, and social infrastructure are seamlessly linked, we'll open the door to completely new lifestyles by creating a robust PBB ecosystem based on Hyundai Motor Group's future technologies for autonomous driving, advanced air mobility, robotics, and the energy grid. As you can see, Kia's platform beyond vehicle will soon change the world of mobility. And we will enter an era where PBBs become the mobility standard. Our objective at Kia is clear. We are here to change the way we work, the way we move, and the way we live. We are all set for every inspiration. Thank you.
Welcome to the world of Kia PBVs. All set for every inspiration.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kevin Bedi, and I'm responsible for design at Kia. I'd like to share some of the details of what I believe, we looked at robust, simple, and clever tools. We did so because with such tools, every feature is designed to be simple, easy, and intuitive to use. That is our mission. Whether for hailing, for logistics, or for personal activities, Kia PBVs will come in a wide range of body types and interior arrangements. Meanwhile, we have aimed for consistency in design across the entire range, with each vehicle sharing the same solid, bold character and capable attitude. But here today, at CES, we're very excited to present concept models of our future PBV lineup and tell you a little bit about the symbiotic ecosystem in which they exist. As with all ecosystems, PBVs cannot exist in isolation. They are designed to interact with each other and create unexpected synergies. This is achieved through extensive modularization, where interchangeable items throughout the entire range allow for limitless usage possibilities, whether it's for business or for pleasure. Now let's take a look at a short design video of the Kia concept PV5. So, as we've just seen, our first PBV, the PV5, will come in various versions, including basic, high roof, robo-taxi, and pickup, all sharing the same roofs, but each with a unique and precise purpose. The PV5 serves as the foundation for the range and offers a balance of generous interior space and a high level of practicality that is, in our view, ideal for small businesses. The high roof model further maximizes the spaciousness, of course with an expanded headroom, but also allowing the driver to stand upright and work comfortably in the cargo area. The PV5R, or robotaxi, showcases the exciting future of an autonomous hailing vehicle. Finally, the pickup emphasizes the possibilities and practicality familiar to customers in many parts of the world. A closer look at the PV5 reveals a unique identity that is emphasized through the simple yet robust surface language and expressive graphics. Regardless of which use case the vehicle is adapted for, the vehicle is adapted for. Its clever and thoughtful design means it will always be easy and intuitive to use. Large doors reveal an extensive opening that facilitates the easy ingress into and egress out of the vehicle, while also providing seamless convenience for those with physical disabilities. Inside the vehicle, the wide, flat, open space made possible by the EV platform, and as well the extended wheelbase, offers endless possibilities. Its unrivaled flexibility is punctuated by innovative sliding two-way flip seats. Drivers can also enjoy an office-like experience thanks to the living space-inspired cockpit, featuring a steering wheel that articulates upwards and transforms into a desk lamp, while making space for a wide desk-like surface. The extensive use of sustainable materials highlights, of course, our responsibility towards our planet and considers our impact on future generations. But it also simply adds, for me as a designer, it's important, aesthetic and tactile appeal. So, as well, once additional models become available to our customers, we expect to see dramatic effect of this symbiosis within the PVV ecosystem. The Kia PV7 not only offers the largest space in the lineup, but also has the greatest range. And being an all-rounder, it is the more capable solution in most use cases. Contrastingly, the PV1 is optimized for agile and short-distance logistics transportation. It is the smallest in the lineup and uses our driving modules to minimize the turning radius in narrow spaces. The symbiosis lies in the interaction and connectivity between the two vehicles and the PV5. As you can see, the PV7's spacious qualities for long-distance logistics synergize with the PV1's agility for an optimized last-mile delivery solution. Now returning to the concept of modularity, a clever system of frames and cabinets showcases the benefits of the interaction and connectivity between vehicles. Aligned load heights and floor-integrated rail system enables direct and seamless transfer of items between vehicles for maximized efficiency and minimized downtime. Meanwhile, the tile and rail system integrated into the ceiling, the floor, and the side panels of the interior, as well as on sections of the exterior, helps you adapt the vehicle to your own personal needs. The rails allow for easy transfer of items between vehicles, while the modularity of the tiles and functional accessories, for example, from speakers to shelves, provide endless flexibility for almost any scenario. The Kia PVV experience extends beyond the physical boundaries of the vehicle and are the ultimate business and lifestyle enablers, designed to make your everyday easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. And now, joining me to discuss Kia's dedicated PVV business system and related technologies is our Vice President, PVV Business Division, Pierre Martin.
Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, Karim. I'm very happy to be here with all of you in Las Vegas for the global launch of our Kia PVV business.
Welcome. Thank you. So, first of all, thank you for being here. And could you tell us a little bit about the PVV system, business system?
Of course, Karim, releasing PVVs into the market is much more than just a new car launch. So we have built a dedicated business system to provide customized solutions for each customer domain. The Kia PVV business is the pinnacle of our customer solutions, as we have engaged customers at the very early planning stages. We continue to listen to customers' requirements and we translate their feedback into the development of our products and business models. In fact, one participant called it, I quote, a groundbreaking process that has never been tried before. I believe that such a deep engagement with real customers gives us a unique insight into creating PVVs that will maximize business efficiency and usage experiences.
So, Kia has been working closely with customers in developing the products that we're seeing here at CES. So, can you tell us a little bit more about the hardware aspect?
Well, Gary, you already did an excellent job in introducing the PV5 as well as the PV7 and PV1. So I'd just like to add that Kia PVVs will deploy a dedicated skateboard-based EV platform. This platform will feature interchangeable upper bodies, or what we call live modules. Existing LG businesses build vehicles vehicles which are not designed for conversion from the production stage. That can result in costly, time-consuming, and non-eco-friendly processes to remove attached parts from the completed vehicles. We at Kia have streamlined this complex process to further strengthen hardware flexibility. Our EasySwap technology allows us to satisfy customer requirements in various domains and respond to the most segmented needs. With a fully dedicated platform and host of specialized technologies, Kia PPVs also differentiate themselves in terms of durability, space utilization, and operational functionality.
So, for example, you can quickly change from a home office to a camper, or even different according to your lifestyle. You can have different layouts. So, with this high degree of modularization, what does that mean? We plan to expand use cases from people moving and delivery to urban-centric, real-time delivery and ride-sharing domains. So, could you also tell us, Pierre, about the PPV manufacturing system?
Well, you know, many EV startups are attempting to make the transition to the new mobility paradigm, but they still have difficulties bringing mass production to reality. At Kia, however, earlier this year, we began the construction of our PPV-dedicated Hwaseong Evo plant in Korea. Our initial PPV production capacity of 150,000 units per year in 2025 will grow gradually and globally to 300,000 units. We plan to establish an innovative, highly automated production system that unifies the newly introduced cell method with the original conveyor system to allow flexible production and more customization options. One of our innovative PPV manufacturing technologies is called dynamic hybrid, which is a weldless body structure assembly method that allows for horizontal and vertical expansion of cross members according to the varying needs of the customers.
Some pretty impressive technology. But now let's look at the other side of the Kia PPVs, the software side. So, when a vehicle is developed around the operating system, we can improve so many aspects of design and usability. We can truly focus on the customer and constantly adapt to their needs. So let us start with the in-vehicle infotainment, or IVI. The IVI solution is designed to make daily life as smooth as possible. It recognizes the user, their purpose, and operational needs in real time, automatically loads the user's profile, presets, and preferences, and provides useful and relevant contextual data.
Yes, Karim, and Kia Voice Control IVI solution will provide access to the Kia PPV app market as well as third-party developed apps. Installed apps are continuously updated via OTA. That means that our customers can enjoy the latest information and entertainment content on the go, and they can seamlessly access personalized data-supported services such as charging, parking, and payment. And by connecting the IVI system with business-specific apps that were previously limited to mobile devices, both service convenience and information reliability can be improved through control and monitoring. In other words, you can enjoy a holistic user experience regardless of hardware form factors.
Thank you. So next, our fleet management solution, or FMS. It enables customers to seamlessly manage multiple Kia PPVs. The FMS solution supports small businesses in mobility or logistics by collecting all relevant data and providing actionable insights so that users can keep track of things like sales, inventory, and deliveries. The solution also monitors the inventory in the cabin, controls the temperature, and reduces downtime by intelligently planning your route based on how items are stacked in the cabinets. It can also arrange the seamless transfer of a specific cabinet to another PPV. For example, the last mile deliveries with the PV1. Likewise, the FMS solution can display the contents and condition of items in the frames for increased convenience and efficiency. The scope of interior flexibility is also enhanced thanks to the ability to monitor and update seating arrangements directly from the screen.
Thank you very much, Karim. In addition, we can use the vehicle data API to control and manage the vast amount of data generated during PVV operation in real time and connect it with AI in the cloud to manage fleets more efficiently. Also, business insights such as predictive maintenance based on driving patterns and other vehicle data help to minimize downtime and maximize operational efficiency.
So, lastly, our EV charging solutions. They're cleverly optimized. They do so by taking into consideration battery charge levels, routes and schedules, as well as breaks and meal times. The system provides optimal charging, scheduling, and charging station guidance.
That's right, Karim. And in addition, we aim to realize a total energy solution based on advanced charging infrastructure such as V2X. This makes it possible to use existing high-density energy batteries to power mobile devices, emergency equipment, or just anything else new.
So, Kia's PVV software solutions will be applied obviously to PV5, PV7, and PV1. And over time, Kia PVVs will become a platform that accumulates digital data across various domains, strengthening connectivity between vehicles and eventually integrating with the social infrastructure. Of course, we cannot do that all by ourselves. So, before you leave us behind, please tell us about how Kia is collaborating with major clients and technology partners.
Well, Karim, by leveraging our PVV dedicated business system with ready-for-market solutions, I'm happy to announce that we are entering this week a major global partnership here at CES with Uber. Stay tuned, there will be more to come on the 10th. In fact, by securing trust through communicating from the customer's perspective, we have signed MOUs with Coupang and CJ Logistics in the delivery domain, and Dubai Taxi Company and Kakao Mobility in the hailing domain. With our aim to develop PVVs and solutions tailored to their business environments, we are confident that these strong partnerships will be a driving force to become a sustainable mobility solutions provider.
Indeed, we aim to be a sustainable mobility solutions provider. Meanwhile, we're also continuing to discover new creative opportunities, pairing Kia PVVs with robotics, or advanced air mobility, or AAM. We're enhancing automated logistics with the Stretch robot for Boston Dynamics, as well as the Spot robot for round-the-clock process and quality control at PVV Smart Factories. We're also collaborating with Supernova, another group affiliate, to accelerate the realization of smart cities through the launch of AAM-based future mobility businesses.
Absolutely. And furthermore, progress in autonomous driving will accelerate the growth of the PVV market. The PV5R, or what we call the robotaxi, is now under development in conjunction with Motional, which is a leader in autonomous technology. We are currently in pilot operation, and we plan to achieve level 4 autonomous driving in the near future through application of Motional's third generation system. Hyundai Group's advanced software capabilities will be applied to the operation, the control, and the management of various mobility devices, including PVVs, obviously, opening an era of hyper-connectivity between people and things. And now, Karim will show us the future that Kia dreams of, where all of these mobility innovations will become part of everyday life. Thank you.
So you can validate your designs faster than ever with far fewer resources. Just like you see here in the cockpit of a Formula One car. Instead of just experimenting with the digital twin of the race car's steering wheel, the design and engineering team at Red Bull Racing experiences the steering wheel in a comprehensive virtual environment in the industrial metaverse. They leverage data from software to place the wheel properly. They interact in real time with CAD data. And then they transport themselves to a virtual racetrack where they can validate visibility, check eye lines, and perfect their work before they launch it in the real world. This is immersive engineering. It is the future of design and manufacturing. It's what will let you step into the industrial metaverse. And it's coming to you exclusively from CES and Sony.
Yoshi, that's incredibly cool, that's incredibly powerful. So tell me, why did Sony choose Siemens and why did you go industrial?
Sure. So at Sony, we are always passionate about collaborating with creators. We utilize our cutting-edge creation technology to support creators in various fields to realize their dreams. So recently, we are focusing more and more on what we call the spatial content creation, where creators can seamlessly go between the real world and the virtual world in the 3D content creation. This led us to the idea of combining a high-quality head-mounted display and dedicated controllers to make a tool for 3D creators to create more intuitively in an immersive environment. So when I first heard about your immersive engineering concept, it clicked right away for both of us for free.
For us too, yes.
So the idea of your industrial metaverse where creators can create and share even between remote places, that really excited us. So I believe our technology can make it all the more of an immersive experience. So combining our technology and your expertise, I see great potential to redefine the way how industrial designers and product engineers will create our product we use every day.
No, absolutely, and a little secret, both of us are mechanical engineers, and it was very different when we started creating products. So my question is how is this going to change the workspace?
Well, so it enables creators to comfortably get immersed in the industrial metaverse with stunning visual quality across the full process from modeling to reviewing. So actually, I worked, as I mentioned, that I worked as a product engineer for 10 years just after I joined Sony. And for example, the product of the Sony DVD player or something. And now, I really wish that I had access to this technology back then.
Exactly.
And that's when we used the pencil and papers. But what I mean is that the process would have been more intuitive with a front-running car, especially for young engineers, to make their ideas a reality. So I believe this kind of innovation and collaboration with creators will attract the talent to the engineering field and ultimately fuel further innovation.
Absolutely. My kids were trained on the PlayStation and they can actually now become engineers. No, absolutely. The advantage of this technology, it lets you not look at the metaverse, it lets you be in the metaverse. The immersiveness you just described means that you can interact with tools in a very, very unique way. So Roland talked about accelerating actually access to technology, and this is a perfect example. Yes, anyone can actually put on the headset and be an engineer or designer and collaborate with anyone in the world, even me. So that's I'm going to try, absolutely. So for doing that, I want to say a huge thank you for Yoshi. I would love to keep this one, but I think this is the absolute first one at the moment. So please give a huge round of applause for Yoshi.